Okay, team. Today we will learn how to edit profile in Dr. Web tool. Okay. Where to find it? So once you doctor logins into their account on web. Okay. So on the left side, you can see there are a few icons. Okay. There is a home button, my calendar, analytics, and there is a my profile section. Ask doctor to click on my profile section. So once they click on my profile section, so automatically the profile will load up on the left right side. You can see it. Okay. So here on the right again top right corner, you can see there is an option called as edit profile. Yeah. So ask the doctor to click on that. Once they just click on edit profile, so there are some 5 sections where a doctor can add or manage their calendar or add basic details, their qualification or registration number or specialty. They can correct actually if there is any error in that. For education experience, they can add even much more awards and publication and link to social media as well. So now I will just show you how they can click on certain things like manage calendar. This option can be accessible from this icon as well, my calendar also. So I'll just go with the basic details. So if a doctor clicks on basic details, it will open up something like this. We cannot edit photo, guys. It will happen from a backend. Put it on the group for doctor onboarding, and our team will do that. But for an example, if doctor wants to edit like about you, just click on that, and here year of experience they want to put it, we can put it. So let me just put it like I am have some 9 years of experience. Okay, so just you have to put a number. It will you cannot put it like 9 years or the word years. Okay, you have to just put it a numerical. So in the introduction we can put even much more detail, like this doctor has done his MBBS, or uh, he's a very big or super specialty doctor like a cardiologist or endocrinologist or neurologist or neurosurgeon or something. They can put it in the intro, and about themselves they can put in much more detail. So let me just show it over here and have some 9 years of experience in managing chronic diseases and all. Okay, so once everything has been done, so let me just put some info. Then only I will get an option to click on save changes. Okay, so I'll put it like is consultant cardiologist. Okay, I have kept this. Okay, and I will click on save changes. So it's this has been added. Okay, so I will just show you where it has got updated. Okay, now I will just click on registration and membership. So here it is showing the registration. If you want to add something more, I can do it. Or in the membership, I will just click on that. And if I want to add something, so I am a member of Indian uh, uh, or American College of Cardiologists. I can also put it like that. Okay. Uh, okay, I can also put it. I have a membership of that as well. Okay, and member from I have been member from 2017. You can select from the drop down, or I can tell or 2020 25. Okay, it is not 20, not okay. Let me just go 25. Yeah, I will set that and I will click on add membership. Yeah, so I can do that and I can click on done. Okay, yeah. So once it is in any practice area where I practice which disease I practice, I have added it like cardiac arrhythmia, hypertension, CAD, or anything more. I can also type it from here. Okay, I also treat with IHS as well. Okay, so I can also select that too, or any much more thing. I can also put it like electro physio. Okay, logist. You can also put it that if it is not turning up. Okay, mostly it should have come up. So if it is not taking up or something much more, okay, I can just select that as well and I can click on done. Okay, so once it has been done, I have just added all the details. I can this is all are coming in basic details. Can just go back educational I think the doc it's easy to use. You can see it is very, the UI is very clean, so every doctor can easily add or edit also. So we have an edit option as well with the pencil button. If I want to edit it, I can click on that. I can change like I want in all caps only. I can also do that, and I'll click on save changes and done. Okay, any experience I want to add it, I can also add it few more. Okay, I want to change it again. So now change any spelling mistakes, I can change it also, and few more I can go back. I want to add any awards and publication, I can also do that, awards or publications. So once it is done, I will click on done. Or any social media link, so if doctor has any Facebook links, they can also add it, or LinkedIn or Instagram or Twitter link as well. So once they have added something, so how does that profile will look up, I will just show you immediately. All these things have been added. So if I open up a new tab and try it, my profile, okay, with the link. Okay, so what all changes we have added, it will show up over here. Okay, so it is showing my photo. So Dr. Anand Singh is consultant cardiologist. Okay, so I don't want this Dr. Anand Singh, I can edit from here also. Edit profile option is available here again. Can click on that. I can go in basic details, and I just want only consultant cardiologist to come up. I can click about that, and I'll just click on save as well. Okay, so this is the basic things, you can all do it. Okay, or you can just go back here and go back from here again go back. Okay, if the things are done, so you can see it has been updated immediately. So about a doctor is coming up. uh, Timings. Okay, so what all I have added, I have also added electrocardio abnormal, everything's are neatly coming up. So what all I have done it. So if we have any, suppose you have also added certification or award publication, it will show up below this list. So I will just show you our mm, one more doctor. Okay, doctor. Okay, so so I will just search it and show you how does a perfect profile looks up. Okay, so I will just click on that. Okay, so this is the profile. Okay, so years of experience about a doctor. You can also see the timings also, you can see at what timing doctor sits here. Okay, so specialization, what all doctors specialize at. So what doctor commonly treats, you can see all those diseases or every subheadings. So educational qualification has been added by doctor, awards and publication. So you can see in detail a doctor can write it. Okay, so it is the web, this profile is actually acting as a compute website for a doctor. You can see everything from an experience also, from members also, registration, follow up also. If I just click on this Facebook link or Instagram link or Twitter or LinkedIn, that will redirect me to that particular page also. So apart from that, we have Eka Care vaccination certificate and health ID creation as well. So on the right side, it will a patient can easily book an appointment. So this profile is actually acting as a complete pure website for a doctor. Okay, so this is how you can do it, guys. So if any queries, we are always available for you. Okay, thank you for your time.